91 meters high, 230 meters away. Now it's gonna do a maneuver.
Yeah.
Look, is where this is. So there, somewhere here, on this place. But it's not. Wait. He's doing it. Look at that. Look at that. Coming over. Yes. He's coming over. Where is he? Look at that. Fucking hell. Look at this marvelous.
Can you just piloting ship by yourself?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. So what on the verse? Can you make like this?
That is for FPV. This is a cinematographic ground. I can do that, but now I wanted a certain maneuver, yeah?
Okay.
And he can do that perfect. Yes, look. He can do that. Certain maneuvers, they get a lot better autonomous. Because by hand, you always get some head.
Yeah.
And this way, even with wind, look. With wind, 104.
No sea and no shaking. Anything.
Nothing at all.
Yeah.
105 meters. And now he will come back where he started. Now he will come back where he started. He goes really far. Look, he goes really far and then he comes back. Look at this. Look. Look. He can't go further than 120 meters because I have set it up on the app. So that's the maximum he goes, and then very far.
Nice to fly with things like that.
We can do that. We got lots of battery. Let it come back. Okay? When it comes back, we fly with it. 14, still going. 15. Holy shit. This is amazing.
What about
Amazing. This is amazing.
Probably get there.
No. Shooting completed. Now we will come back. Look, now he turns his back and he does his flying on his back to complete the video. This is just amazing. Look at this. Look at this fucking thing. And he will stop right where he started. Look at it. And fucking hell, look at this. I just love it. This is epic. I was not expecting to get this. This I get very happy even if I put the drone in and stop it straight away. Look at this. Look. There it is. Now we know what it is. Okay? Good.
Now he's gonna stop here, or he will go.
I'm not sure. He will. I think he will turn again there because the center was on that building. He will go there until it stops to see that building on top of it. Yes, because this was the center I've chosen. Yeah. Yeah. So he goes. Where is it? Yeah. All right. So now we're here. Yeah. Now we're here somewhere. That is finished. Now we do shoot. We take and we call him. Then he comes along to where we are. We are here, yeah? Yeah. So he must be coming. There it is. So where would you like to fly?